I am Imal Ashwath. Here there are two numbers A and B. The product of their HCF and LCM is 294. This is a condition. The product of their HCF and LCM is 294. Then the second condition, this A is 33.33% less than B. So A is 33.33% less than B. First we have to know this percentage value. 33.33% is 1 by 3. For this value is 1 by 3. So next A is 33 point. The first condition, the product of their HCF into LCM is 294. So product of their HCF into LCM. So HCF into LCM equal to product of two numbers. So what is the first condition is given as A into B equal to 294. A into B equal to 294. This is the first condition. The second condition, A is less than B, how much? 33.33%. So A equal to less than B. So less than B. So from B. So A is 33.33% less than B. So A is 33.33% less than B. So what is this? 33.33% less than B. So here it is 33.3% less than B. So what is the answer here? That is equal to, that is 1 by 3 B minus B. So A equal to 1 by 3 B minus B. That is equal to 3B. Sorry, this one here it is B minus 33.33%. So that is equal to 2 by 3 B. A equal to 2 by 3 B. How you get? That is B is here. So 33.33%. So A is 33.3. That is 1 by 3 less than B. 1 by 3 less than B. So how we can write is B minus 1 by 3 B. B minus 1 by 3 B. So 3B minus B, that is 2 by 3 B. So A equal to 2 by 3 B. So this is the second condition. So now we have to substitute A, the value of A in 1. What we get is 2 by 3 B square equal to 294. So B square equal to 294 into 3 divided by 2. So what you get is, if I get cancel 1, 2, then 4 are 8, 7 2s are 14. Then here 147, how we write is, that is if we divide by 3, what you get is 4 3s are 12, 9 3s are 27 into 3 into 3. Therefore B equal to 7 into 3. 7 into 3, 7 7s are 49. So 7 1 7, then 3. So 7 3s are 21. So B equal to 21. So B equal to 21. So A equal to what? A equal to 2 by 3 B. So 2 by 3 into 21. That is equal to 2 7s are 14. So A equal to 14. A equal to 14 and B equal to 21. B equal to 21. Now we have to go to the quantity 1. What is quantity 1 is? Quantity 1. Quantity 1 is, what you have to find? Quantity 1. Find the value of the expression 9B. So 9 into B. 9 into B equal to 21. 9B minus plus 21A plus 21 into A. A equal to 14 minus divide by 14 divide by 16 divide by 6 into 4 plus 65 plus 65. Now that is equal to, so 21 into 14. So 9 into 21. 9 into 21. What is 9 into 21? That is 21. 1 9 is 9. 2 9s are 18. 189. Then next here 21 into 14 divide by 6. So this is the same expression. So 21 into 14. plus 21 into 14 divided by 6. So what is this one? 2 3s are 2 3s are 6, 7 3s are 21, then 2 here 7. Then into 4 plus 65, into 4 plus 65. Now what you get is 189 plus 7 7s are 49, 49 9 4s are 36, 3 4 4s are 16, 19, 196 plus 65. So what is the answer? 9 plus 6 15, 15 plus 5 20, 2 plus 6 8, 8 plus 17, 17 plus 8 25, then 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4. So quantity 1 is 450. Quantity 1 is 450. Next we have to go to quantity 2. What is the quantity 2? This is the LCM of 6a minus 20, 6a minus 20 and 3b minus 7. 3b minus 7. 3b minus 7. So you have to find this LCM. LCM of this one. So first you have to find 6a minus 20. A is 14. So 6 into 14 minus 20 and 3 into 21 minus 7. So 6 4s are 24. 2 166 84 minus 20 and the 1 3 is 3, 3 2s are 63 minus 7. 63 minus 7. So here 4, then 64, and what is here? 13 minus 7, 6. 13 minus 7, 6, then 56. 64 and 56. So 64 and 56 LCM. Next we have to find 64 and 56 LCM. So here what is a here 8 8s are 64, 7 8s are 56. This much. So 8 8s are 64 into 7. 64 into 7, what is 4 7s are 28, 2 6 7s are 42, 44. So quantity 2 is quantity 2 is the answer is 448. LCM of this is 448. So this is quantity 1 and quantity 2. So quantity 1 is greater, that is 450 is greater than quantity 2. Quantity 2. So here that is 450, here 448. So this is the correct answer. So the option A is correct. The option A is correct. So this is a competitive exam question. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.